creating a video showcasing Lavon Drive Baptist Church's whimsical Whoville stage design from Jonathan Wood, who resides in Garland, Texas, where this church is located. The theory behind this unique creation was based on merging the annual Missions Conference Banquet with their Christmas celebration to form one single event, Whimsy Night. We'll get started by talking through some details regarding materials used for these trees. They were made utilizing rigid foam insulation sourced directly from Home Depot. Each tree required its own wooden base that I constructed myself. However, it could have also been done using projected images or tracing them out and cutting afterwards. The curls found on each of those trees proved fragile, but fortunately easy enough materials-wise to repair when snapped off during assembly process, which did happen a few times. Initially planned backing every piece with lightweight paneling turned too pricey, considering this was just once-off project, so might be worth investing if planning long-term usage though. Once all the pieces had their shapes cut according to design specifications, then applying coats by a Wagner sprayer became necessary step before final touches were added. Lucky timing since event coincided around Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's celebrations, allowing plenty green-red decorations available purchase. Glitter dots placed strategically across tree trunks consisted simply half-round foam bits from Hobby Lobby painted matching colors, completely covered glitter accordingly. Background featuring snowbank constructed using pink insulation airbrushed Friend Ministry applied glitter effect, while stage itself remained untouched by painting, instead draped white fabric sprinkled artificial flakes everywhere, creating immersive atmosphere. Attendees appreciated greatly during evening festivities. Ornament centerpieces comprised basic rubber balls sourced Walmart paired with small sliver painted cups, bent wire hooks, attached stable base rocks inside wreath design, adding elegant touch. Overall aesthetic presentation achieved through creative resourcefulness. Displayed throughout entire setup process involved here today. Snowflake centerpiece creation entailed intricate details. Clear poly application followed immediately after, which allowed time add sparkling effects before final assembly. Round mirror hurricane globe candle central focal point, visually striking combination indeed. If you're interested replicating these Whoville trees for your own event, Jonathan has kindly offered to share the file used in their construction. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.